Uh, I hope that you like it. I just need to put in a little of this. And get rid of the chlorine, you know, just that much, you see? Oh, that's warm water. Oh, well, I'll have to make the second bucket real cold. Just drained all the dirty water out. Now, here is my favorite part now. I think I sprained my wrist yesterday. That hurts a lot. I was like, I was just hopping off the bike. I was about to put it in my truck. But then I got real lightheaded and I fell backwards. And I tried to brace my fall with like this hand and ow. That hurts like so much. So this is half of the thing. Okay. The catfish would appreciate me after work is temperature right now. Even things up. See, I took a piss in the dirty water. So that's my method of testing the water. Oh yeah, I totally do. Oh, piece of pussy. A little bit. Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah. It's just so minty. There's something about that. Oh. Wow. You know, I forgot my jug in the truck. And that's why I'm so thirsty. I may just need to spit that out and just drink a bunch of ounces of water before I head out, actually, here. Oh, yeah. I don't know why, though. Dude, it didn't focus. This is the ammonia water test. If it looks green, and it's nitrate. But that was yellow. It's not just because I was dehydrated by it. It's got something to do with the nitrogen cycle. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm going to put a little extra. Really low. That's good. this is how to finish the refill here. Cap of Prime. I was handling the tobacco with my right hand, so my fingers are contaminated, so to speak, with the nicotine. But, so I gotta make sure not to. Just gotta use my broken wrist here. Oh. 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 Woo! Woo! That hurts a lot. Oh. See, the walls in here is so thick, there's no way that any cop would respond to even a noise complaint here. I can't possibly be the loudest guy either. You know, there's a lot of migrants in this